Okay.
VTX power on.
Cage the gimbal. Aircraft is armed. Flaps are up. Flying with the new Motion Sick ARMS, ARMS, the Attitude Reference Miniature Sight, I think. Very cool. All right, black box recording is on. Flaps up, taking the runway. Taking off. Lining up, resetting home position to right here.
Reset.
Okay. Okay, we're going to take off, rotate at 40. Rotate, gear up. Flaps are up. Uncage gimbal.
Head tracker enabled.
Okay, bring it back to 55% throttle. This airplane likes that.
Minutes.
Beautiful day in the canyon. All right, so I made some adjustments to the height of the pipper. So I'm gonna go here, pop it into cruise mode.
Cruise mode.
All right, and I'm going to see if that's on the horizon. Oh, pretty good, right on the horizon, close enough. Let me cage the gimbal again.
VTX power on. Camera locked.
They're lined up pretty well, close enough. Right on the horizon at cruise settings. Okay, on cage.
Head tracker enabled.
Back to acro mode.
Acro mode. Acro mode. Altitude hold off.
All right, let's have some fun. Let's come in for a nice loop. Okay, full throttle. Pulling up.
600.
Dropping the throttle.
Feet.
Pulling back. Wee-hee.
Minutes.
Let's get a flyby. Do 100 miles an hour here. This power line right here cuts across the canyon. It's always good to know. Other than that, you can fly down this dry riverbed. It's pretty clean.
Minute. 626 feet.
It is pretty bumpy. It's got a little bit of wind today.
900 61 feet.
I know that altitude is the altitude above the home location, not AGL. So
1,263 feet. 1,305 feet.
well, let's bomb down the terrain here.
1,263 feet.
Little canyon run.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Looks like we got a target. Pulling off target. Coming in for another pass. Lost sight. There he is. All right, let's come home. "200 feet for the downwind." That's what I like. Okay. At 50 knots, 50 miles an hour, gear down.
Flaps half.
Okay. Keep it around 45 miles an hour now. Landing.
Flaps full.
Full flaps. 40 knots for the approach. There we go. It's a good glide slope. It's really bumpy here. A lot of wind. Going around. Gear up. Flaps out. Let's do that again. 50 miles an hour. Downwind, midfield.
Gear down.
Flaps are still half. I'm going to carry a little extra airspeed down to the runway this time. It's pretty bumpy. Okay, around this property. Getting knocked around all in the canyon here. A lot of terrain, a lot of wind. Okay, 40 is too slow. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Gears down. Oh, I have no battery. Whoa, can I stretch it? Oh, not good. I'm down. I lost battery. DTX is off. Disarmed.